daughter and I decided to do these. She's going to do cinnamon roll. I'm going to do Hello Kitty. It's her first time doing this. Comes with 2 pegboards and the designs. And you place the design on the bottom, the pegboard on top, and you start to put your beads on.
Yeah.
So it's important not to stay in one spot and just keep moving. Oh. So once you notice that it's sticking to the parchment sheet, then you'll know that that's when it actually did work and they're melted. One thing I noticed is that some of the beads, once they get like that, they don't stick. So I replaced it with new beads, and I am going to try it again. So it did work with replacing it. All I have to do is take it off now. So I have a bead that didn't stay. So I need to get it out and do it again. So this is how they ended up looking. I think it's super cute. I do want to make more in the long run. Not bad for our first time. It took us a little bit to make it. If you do see that they start to bend, you can always put something heavy on them like a book. And I want to try and make more Hello Kitty since we have the design.
I really like the cinnamon roll I made. It's cute. I love that she's a little pirate and they just Hello Kitty up. I love the costumes.
Okay, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye, guys.